Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to export an avatar from CLO3D and use it inside Blender. So here I already have a prepared garment that I'm going to use for this project. And let's export it and bring it to Blender. First, go to File, Export OBJ, and choose a folder to save your project in. By default, make sure to check Select All Patterns and select Avatar, so both the garment and avatar get exported. Before exporting, make sure your UV maps are baked. I've already explained how to bake UVs in a previous video, so feel free to check that out if you haven't already. With these settings, just click OK, and you can also manually select which parts of the outfit or avatar you want to export. For example, if you don't want to include the shoes, you can simply uncheck them. In this case, I'm exporting everything, so I'll hit OK and wait for the export to complete. Now let's open up Blender. When you enter Blender, just go ahead and delete everything you see in the default scene. Then go File, Import OBJ and locate the folder where you saved your exported project from CLO3D. I personally exported with a scale 0101 and I'll import it using that. Here it is, now it's in the scene. Next, I open a new window so we can preview our render and check how everything looks. Switch your render engine to cycle. You can choose either CPU or GPU depending on your system. And now, to make our avatar look good in the scene, we need to tweak the avatar's texture a bit. One of the main things you'll notice is that the hair texture doesn't look great. So let's fix it. Go to the material properties, look for the material related to the avatar's hair and select it. Then switch to the shade editor. Instead of connecting alpha to alpha, cancel that and connect the color to alpha. This little fix makes a big difference. Now you'll see that the hair texture is displayed much cleaner and more polished. One more tip, go to Render, Light Path section. Under Transparency, increase the max transparent bounces. This can make transparent areas like hair or sheep fabrics render much more accurately and cleanly.